Hi there. Here's a step-by-step guide on setting up the Shop by Category store block. On the home page of the ModeMagic app, click on Store from the left side of the screen. Then select the Shop by Category option. Click on Templates. From here you can select a template of your choice. Now go to Settings and then select the collections which you would like to display in this Shop by Category store block. Under Design, you can make the required changes according to your brand. From the top of the screen, you can select and see how the Shop by Category store block will appear across different devices. And you can also make the required edits. Now from the right side of the screen, click on Show Shop By for home page. Under Display Settings, you can select which all store pages should this block be visible. Under Position in Page, you will have to set up where the store block will be displayed on the store page. For more details on setting up the position in page, please refer to our help articles. Once all of this is set up, click on Add to Store on the bottom right corner of the screen. Thank you.